Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod so we can get free Pokegolds, shine tickets, shop dust, all that good stuff, guys. So I'm going to turn on the anti-ban right there just so I don't get banned. But I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super insane. So what you need to do is go over to this website, hexmods.com. They have all these like modded apps. So once you're there, guys, just go to search, type Pokemon. And obviously we want the Pokemon TCG Pocket, so we're going to press on that. And then you can read all about it, all the stuff you get, press download, and then we're going to wait for it to download the Pokemon TCG Pocket modded version onto our device. So before it downloads, you may see something come up that says you got to get some missing apps or something like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So as you can see, it says missing files, please download some apps. So there's going to be all these apps. So I would just do the Travel Town one, honestly, because it's just a game. You got to reach level 10. So just press on it, press continue, and then download it, open it up, and reach level 10. So you don't have to do this one, but it is a game and it's fairly simple. So yeah, anyway, once you're done, you'll get your Pokemon TCG Pocket Mod. You're going to get free Pokegold, shine dust, and shop ticket, guys. So it is crazy. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you play Pokemon TCG Pocket, because this is so cool. And yeah, the verification step is pretty simple. There is also this merge garden game where you got to reach level 9. That one isn't bad either. And there's always going to be different apps depending on where you live. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you later, but that's how to get the Pokemon TCG Pocket modded app. So you can get free Pokegold, shine ticket, all that stuff, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends about it because it's super wild. See you in another one, and peace out, bro.